Daisy Bates, November 11, 1914 to November 4, 1999. As the mentor to the Little Rock Nine, Daisy Bates played a pivotal role in the desegregation of Central High School in Little Rock, Arkansas. Her leadership and guidance were instrumental in one of the most significant events in the American Civil Rights Movement, ensuring the students' safety and the right to equal education. 38. Ella Baker, December 13, 1903 to December 13, 1986. Ella Baker's grassroots philosophy of organizing was foundational to the success of the Civil Rights Movement. With a career that spanned over 5 decades, Baker worked alongside some of the most famous civil rights leaders, helping to found the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee, SNCC, and advocating for participatory democracy. Gloria Richardson, May 6, 1922 to July 15, 2021. A leading figure in the civil rights movement, Gloria Richardson was known for her leadership in the Cambridge movement in Maryland. Her uncompromising stance and direct action tactics helped achieve racial equality and economic justice, marking her as one of the pivotal civil rights leaders of her time. 40. Queen Mother Moore, July 27, 1898 to May 2, 1997. A pivotal figure in the civil rights and Black nationalism movements, Queen Mother Moore's activism was extensive and impactful. Advocating for African American rights, she was particularly renowned for her steadfast push for reparations for slavery. Her work spanned across various platforms and movements, making significant contributions to the empowerment of the Black community and advocating for economic justice and equality. Her legacy lives on as a testament to her dedication to the cause of justice and her influence on future generations of activists. Alberta Williams King, September 13, 1904 to June 30, 1974. Alberta Williams King was not only the mother of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., but a pivotal figure in her own right within the early civil rights movement. Her dedication to social equality and her profound influence on her son's upbringing highlight the crucial role family plays in shaping societal leaders. Her story is a testament to the power of maternal influence in the fight for civil rights. Who changed the face of politics and leadership? The African American women who led with distinction. 42. Carol Moseley Braun. Carol Moseley Braun broke significant ground as the first African American woman elected to the U.S. Senate. Her service as a senator from Illinois from 1993 to 1999 not only challenged the historical underrepresentation of African American women in Congress, but also laid a foundation for future leaders aiming to enter the political arena. 43. Maxine Waters. As a long-serving member of the U.S. House of Representatives, Maxine Waters has been a formidable advocate for social justice, economic equity, and the empowerment of marginalized communities. Waters' relentless pursuit of justice and her powerful voice in Congress have underscored the critical role of African American women in legislative processes and governance. 44. Karen Bass. Karen Bass has made significant contributions to political leadership, particularly in her roles within the U.S. House of Representatives. Her leadership, especially as the chair of the Congressional Black Caucus, has been instrumental in advancing the discussion and legislation on critical issues affecting African American communities and the nation at large.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.